I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. Also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with a speed limiter. The car also has some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and also speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.6 litre petrol engine, it gives you 165 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed automatic gearbox, done less than 12,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Western Supermare. Thank you.